Well, this is not exactly a video of the ArcoLinux application, but remember, well, not remember, but look at the video I've just put online, and that is gonna be 3518. 3518 is ArcoLinux App 40. Probe link added, right? We've added something that shows us the information on your system. If anywhere, because this is a teaching app, it's not a bad idea to have this in the ArcoLinux tweak tool. So where can we add it, right? We can add it in the fixes. Provide us with a probe link. We can add a button down here, and I was thinking of doing that, but it depends because we're making it bigger and bigger always, which in a screen of 1920 and 1080 you see it's fine. But if you're on a very small laptop, it's less fine. On the other hand, do we need the support still? All right, it's oh, I see something we can improve there. It takes up time here, space, I mean. I don't really know what to do, right? What's the best thing to do? I was thinking of an icon as well, not just the word probe. That could be, that's maybe a little bit more, less impact, like with its support. I think I will go with fixes. So it's these kind of things that, yeah, you have to choose them, and that's making a distro. Systemd, grub, x4, ButterFS, home partition, no, encrypted, yes, no. I mean, it's all the time. And whether we choose right is based on the individual, right? For any ArcoLinux based system, so that's still true. There's nothing distro specific about it. So we can maybe add it to the beginning. Okay, that's been decided. Voila. So then it's going to fixes later on. This is the complete workflow that's open for ArcoLinux App till the very end where you test everything. So I have two screens over of 10 on the left and 10 to the other side. So I'll just stop using all of them. Because we'll make mistakes and we don't want mistakes. So code, we're switching, although I'll put it in the software the ArcoLinux app. It is linked. I always talk about copy pasting from ArcoLinux and copy pasting from software, and this one has been created on, I think, called ArcoLinux Calamares. So copy pasting is part of coding. Certainly for me, I want to develop fast. So you don't want this. I want ArcoLinux tweak tool, ArcoLinux tweak tool, def. I have to check its def always now. Made one mistake once and then don't want to make it again. There's a fixes. So the code is here. And the GUI, how it looks, is here. And this works with VBox stacks, which is something I don't get yet, right? That's how you should think about it, yet. And then we have here the reinstall ArcoLinux keyring. Let's have a look. We need to have a visual again. Fixes. We install Alacrity to show what changes. Control find, we show Alacrity what changes. We install, sorry. We install. No typos allowed. Install. So it's box 11, that one. For any ArcoLinux based system, true. And I want it before. So this one is going to be changed into something else. Now, how much numbers do I have already? Oh, I've done it this way. So here I've kept the blocks together. So hbox 1, 0, back start. hbox 5, and then added to the back start, back end. So the blocks are here together, and the other application they're at the top, and then separate every line. This is something I like better, so I started changing all kind of code, and everything is now uniform. Almost uniform, probably. There is so much code. That was July and August, I think, 2022, right? Diving into the code. So there's another way, maybe we should do that. So sometimes you want to squeeze something in. Sometimes you want to squeeze something in, and then you say, does that exist? 12. It exists because it's white. 13. It exists, it's white. 14. It does not exist. It's gray. Find one thing. So 14 is available. That's the point. 14 is available. 14 is available. 14 is available. Aren't we missing something? Aren't we missing something? Oh, that's just a label. True, 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 true. So we're missing a button like fix keys. And that's a label, right? hbox 11. So the fix key thing. Console find fix key. Huh? What? Okay, with space. So this is what we're missing. The key. Grab, copy, paste, and change. Where is it? Fix this GUI, we're wrong. Wasting time. Yeah, here it is. This one, right? 14. So what we're missing is a button to apply. Button probe. It's another. Let's keep the same naming. Button probe. Connect. We're missing something again. Button probe. Rather put this one here. So we did not create the button. In here it says yes, in here hbox, a label, set the text, and this one. Did I copy paste that one? Probably not. right? Create the button with the name probe. Button probe fix, no, button probe. So in the box that you're gonna create, you're gonna make a label, and we make a markup. Markup means I can set this to bold, for instance, or something like that. So what text did we have in the other one? Provide us the probe link. Provide the probe link. And oh, was it again? I found a good text, so I'm gonna have that too. Provide probe link and get probe link. Okay, provide probe link and get probe link. Provide probe link without the and get probe link. Save. And if we click on it, on click probe, the button is called probe, on click probe, what are we going to do? Control C. Well, better is maybe to do a Control Z at this point in time and have a look at the GUI bit. Let's do the GUI bit. Now we need to go to ArcoLinux, Tweaktool Dev, ArcoLinux, Share, Hub. Oh, main, HBox 11. Oh, copy pasting is fun, but it's 14. Huh? Otherwise you won't get it. Plus, did we add it at the bottom? Right, probably not. Now I really don't know where it's gonna come, because I don't know I don't know these numbers out of my head. So Control C, I'm just gonna try rather than look up. We'll look up later. Save. I want to quickly have a look. Still something in there. That's the danger of copy pasting. Oh, it's the good spot, right? That's where I want to have it, at the top. Get probe link. Why do I have this sentence here? We install ArcoLinux to show you what changes, close the terminal and add continuous. Right? Right? No? Decision time. This one. HBox 11. Find. This one. You're out. Strike 3. Voila. And behind here I need to do something. I'm glad I put it here, not here. Good. Good that I'm glad. Now we need to fix this, right? It doesn't really give me any clue, but it's all about double stuff, things that are not meant to be there. So you need to go to HBox 11 is out, so don't, well, you can leave the code in, so that's always good if you decide to put it back. So this is enough, 199. Now we're gonna concentrate on 14. We're gonna read it again. Maybe we should just check where is control find. Where do we find it? Oh yeah, double. So this is the clue, right? The clue is somewhere that GTK says, what's going on? But for me, doesn't ring a bell if I read this. But I see that there's a double line. Remove the double line. We save. We test again. Voila. So that's done. Get probe link. We should program that one. Because let's go to the other one. Let's go to ArcoLinux App Dev. We've a script in there. Let's reuse Control C and let's put you to good use inside script. That's important. Or shall I put it somewhere else? Lim data, data, images. No, I think script would be just fine. Control V. So script without S. Then, yeah. Okay, step by step. Then you go to this one actually. On click fix Pacman. No, on click probe, but I'm gonna use this. Control C. Do I have it? Let's be sure. Control C. And then the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Control V. So here. I want to go here, but not here. I want to go there. And that's on click probe. I do want to have Alacrity. It's already installed. And I do want to have this, but no need to do this. Yeah, we could do, of course, we could do Alacrity, hold minus E. And now I have to look, right? It's not in data, script, and then probe. Pacman has been reset. I don't think so. Yeah, what text did we use again? Probe link has been created. They don't have to be exactly the same thing. Eh? Probe link has been created. Save. On click probe. Check that Alacrity is installed. Alacrity hold is important. Minus E. Execute that thing. I think it's there. At this point, it's not there. Eh? At this point, it's in home, Eric, Arco, and so on. It's not there. So that's not going to work. The only time it's going to work is I make a package. But we can test and show you that you know already the error. It's important to see, and I know I've seen that before. And this is why it's happening, right? We click and oh, did I click something wrong? Oops, I have to let this thing go. That's the key. Oh yeah, let's go in here in the code already. So it's still this one. It's pointed to click fix Pacman. We forgot to change this. Computers don't forget. We forget. Save. Now I have new keys. I have a beautiful new system. And now we see the error. So fixes, get probe link, and it says probe link has been created, but of course, you know, flash. There was a little flash there. Nothing has been created, right? It tries to run a script that does not exist. So, time to build this particular application. My advice is to you create 2 apps so you can compare and check your work. So probe to the left. What is the difference? On click probe, install Alacrity, run Alacrity, run this thing. I do think it's the correct path. If not, I have to make another package. That's life. Desktop or GUI. What did we do there? A space. Out you go. Fixes GUI. So HBox 14 is new, and all these guys are all together. That's the difference in the other app, right? These are all a bundle. I like this bundle thing approach, but as you see, it doesn't really matter for the coding. We made a decision buy for the Alacrity little text there, but also 19. VPack start 14, right? 14 and 11. Voila, decisions, save. Now in this case, this is an app that is really used, right? So I'm first gonna test it. Up. The ArcoLinux keyring is, and all the other stuff from Garuda and all that, all the keys and configs are downloaded, so we always have a backup. And then we do tell them that the probe link, right? That's that. Then the next step is you want to build this. This case is less work for me because I don't need to make a release. I just say 8, save. I do not need to go to the website. I use another way of building. So like I told you, I'll put this in ArcoLinux App 41 and then link to the ATT, because it's all programming and reusing code sometimes. I think this will be a useful addition. Okay, if it's built, it's on my personal computer. Maybe you'd want it to. So we're gonna up this to the internet. And once that's done, I move to another screen. I do an update. Get the package from Zoomin. That's just built. Do an update. There's a tweak tool, number 8. And like this, if you launch it like this, you get the most information out of it, because it shows you a lot of info. So fixes, provide probe link, get probe link. Alacrity is already installed, nothing to do. You click or you copy paste. Click. I'm in there like hundreds of times now, probably. And if the click doesn't work for whatever reason, I just copy paste it over. Control Shift C, Let's try it one more time. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And you go to Ctrl-Alt-G. Put it in there. That's your number. This is you. This is me. NVIDIA RTX 2060. It works. It's interesting to know something works and it thinks it's cinnamon. Oh my god. No, that's wrong. Shh. Enfin. Alright. Nothing to do about that. That's probe. So there you go. That's all we needed to test, so we can actually do the rest of the release, meaning I go back here. No, I go back here. Yes. Stop this. Go to here. And you have it. Number 8, 7. Build the repo. Build the ArcoLinux package. Put it online if it's ready. First you gotta wait. And I'm proud to say we have a probe link. 2 of them. That's here. That's now online. And in a few moments you'll get it also on your system. Voila. End of the video. Alright, cheers.